Welcome guys, and in this video I will show you how you can add funds and money to your account on PS4 console. So basically what you'll need to do is go to the settings and go to your account management. Right here, click on account information. You'll need to wait a little bit until it loads. After that, you'll need to go to the wallet, and right here you'll need to go to add funds. Now you'll need to choose payment method right here. As you can see, you can add a credit card, add PayPal account, or pay by mobile. You use PaySafe card or redeem codes and gift cards. So basically choose one of those, and after that you'll basically will be able to add money to your account. So that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.